hung the light. There's pictures that you saw before of the process, but I'll just go through the quick wiring. You saw pictures of my wife and I wiring through the wheel, and then before we hung it, we ran wires through the 5-foot black pipe, and then ran the wires in the center of the 1/2-inch black pipe. And then I went in the ceiling and put a 2x8 across the truss, 2x4 truss, and they're about 2 feet apart. And I just ran the black pipe straight up and put a black pipe foot on it, and just took the old wire out, put a new box upstairs in the attic, and basically that was it. And it's basically hanging like it is now. So if we need to adjust it or anything, we just go in the attic and move the 2x8. So there you have it. It was pretty safe, and it was fun to do.